My name is Daniel de la Cruz. I'm one of the partners now at the Agency Collective. I'm here on this earth to help people. I'm here to help business owners not go through the same problems that I went through when I ran an agency. And that's what I do here every single day. That's why I'm stood up here now. And I love speaking to all of you. In the last 3 years, I've spoken and researched about 3,000 agencies. And I've got a pretty good idea of what works and doesn't work. I started seeing patterns. I started seeing patterns of different things that agencies do. And what I want to do today with you is discuss new business